Well, today is something truly awesome. I'm sat in my mate Sam's Mini named Firecat, the 1312 with an SC throttle body like fuel injection system on it. Got the roof open. This thing is amazing. It drives so nice, properly planted on the ground. Love it. So yeah, we're starting a bit of a secret project today. It'll all come revealed very soon. It's something very close to Sam's heart and his family's heart, so you'll see it soon. But I get the privilege of driving this today. Really, absolutely fall in love with this car. So yeah, we'll take you along on the ride. When I get back, I'm going to show you the mystery project. I'm not too sure many of you have seen it. I certainly have never seen one before until I'd met Sam. So it's a truly special little piece of British history. So yeah, can't wait. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Like I said, there's a lot coming to this channel in the future, and that is one of them. This is a Mark 1 Mini Midas 1981, owned by Sam there, or his dad's technically. So I'll spin the camera around and we'll do a quick chat on it. It's a bit of a secret build, this one. So yeah.
Alright, so I'm Sam, and I'm Midas Mark 1 on social media and the Minute forums, and it's because I grew up with this Midas. It's my dad's car that he's built, it's had since about 1983. It's purely mini based, pretty much. So it's a Mark 1 to the Mark 2, Mark 3 and Metro based. So it was built on a 1979-ish 1275 GT, which is written off with like less than 1,000 miles use. Now he's had it since 1983, and I've grew up with it since day one. The past 10 years it's been off the road because of my mini projects taking over, and it's just sat there. Now my dad's getting married in 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks, and the plan is to fully repaint it, restore, and give it a bit of a restore, ready for the wedding day. And it's a secret project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like Sam said, this is a full fiberglass car. So it's got all your mini running gear up front. It's got a VMAX sort of the back, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a different gear at the back. So you can see it. We've stripped it exterior wise because we're going to start prepping it for paint now. Colour wise, it was originally red, wasn't it?
Yeah, gel coat's red. Then it went black in '83 when 2-pack first came out. But yeah, so since May we've done full new front suspension, new cones, high-lows, Protect shocks, new bushes. Back's got custom made to my spec Protect rear coilovers with a different spring rate as well. It's got a stainless fuel tank. It's basically mechanically it's had pretty much a refresh.
Yeah.
It's just the bodywork that's lapped. And because the main issue with the bodywork is even though it's fiberglass, it's got paint. It's got water in between the primer and the paint, which gives it a really horrible like goose pimple effect, which is how for the past 15 years. And I want to make it. I want to make my dad love it again because it was his baby, just like the Minis are my babies. So
yeah. So I'll show you the paintwork here. You might be able to see it. You can see the whole thing sort of micro blistered all over it. So we're going to get all that out The bonnet's got a bit of cracking and stuff in it. I'm going to sort that out. But yeah, obviously it's stripped. I'll drop the photos in. You've seen them at the beginning, so you'll see how it used to look and how it's looked over the years. So it's got some Wolf Race wheels to go back on it, which are a bit more period than those. So yeah, follow us as we set to give this a bit of a lease of life. So it's an awesome looking car, proper GT looking car. So. Right, so we're part of the way there now. All the red you can see is the gel coat. So that's getting rid of a lot of the micro blisters in the car, or all the micro blister so far. So there was a front impact here, wasn't there, Sam, at some point? So you can see where the filler work's been done, but to be fair, it's very straight. So whole car's covered in dust. Obviously blow all that off. So it's getting there. It's red.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. It's mad. Looks quite cool in red. So yeah, more sanding, filling, primer. Well, there we have it. The Midas has pretty much got all the micro blistered paint off it now at sort of end of day one. There's a few repairs got to do on one side. Like I mentioned before, there was a bit of an accident damage on, we thought it was the driver's side. Sam was always told it was the driver's side, but it's actually the passenger side, and the door's quite rippled from it as well, which is weird because it's fiberglass. So I don't know if it's been a poor repair in the past, or if it maybe front end took the impact and then it ricocheted down the side. Don't really know. It is a bit odd, to be fair. So door needs a bit of work, and that front corner, it seems to be okay, to be fair. Whoever's done the work for has done quite a good job. It's all really good behind it, we've checked. So yeah, more sanding, more prepping to come. I'll flip you around and I'll show you the bit of damage found on the door, but we're getting there. I mean, look at it, that's all gel coat now. So yeah, not much more to paint to get off. Then we can start repairs, get primer, then paint. So yeah, you can see where it's had the damage now. You can see where the filler fades off that way. So it's had the corner damage here. The repair's been done really good. I mean, it's Really, really nice and smooth. So, but the door is a bit weird. You don't know if you can pick up on it. It's almost like it's dented. So it's a bit weird that. I didn't think you'd have that sort of issue on fiberglass, but we are. So another cool thing we found on the car is, I'll show you on the other side, is it would have originally had like a two-tone surround. So the window surround would have been sort of black all the way around, sort of around the whole, which is pretty cool. Quite like that. So obviously we've got to get all this paint out yet, which is today's job. We got the noisy work done yesterday. So yeah, look at that. Looks very, very different.